Hey everyone, this is Jevan. Today we'll discuss about the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 4. Prevention of pollution by sewage from ship. MARPOL Annex 4 is one of the most important environment regulation under the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ship. MARPOL, it specifically deals with the control of sewage discharge from ship to prevent marine pollution. This regulation was adopted in 1973 but enforcement began in 2003. Manage their sewage to protect our ocean. Sewage pollution is a major environmental and health issue, particularly in heavily trafficked maritime routes, ports, and coastal waters. If not controlled, untreated sewage discharge can lead to serious consequences such as when untreated sewage enter the ocean, it introduces harmful bacteria, viruses, and nutrients that can contaminate the water. This makes it dangerous for marine life and for people who rely on the ocean for fishing, swimming, and other activities. Sewage contain harmful microorganisms including E. coli, Salmonella, and other bacteria that cause diseases such as cholera and dysentery. This can affect coastal communities, specifically in areas where people consume seafoods. Oxygen level in the water. When sewage decomposes, it consumes oxygen in the water. This creates dead zone where fish and other marine creatures cannot survive. A well-known example of this is the Baltic Sea, where excessive pollution has led to low oxygen levels severely affecting marine biodiversity. Unpleasant condition in ports and coastal areas. Imagine arriving at a beautiful beach only to find it smelling bad and covered in sewage waste. In 2019, the Mediterranean Sea faced serious concerns due to sewage pollution, leading to beach closure in several European countries. Such pollution not only harms marine life but also affects tourism and local economies. Under this regulation, ships are required to have approved sewage treatment plants, holding tanks or discharge facilities. There are specific conditions for when and where sewage can be discharged. Ships above 400 gross tonnage or those carrying more than 15 people must be equipped with sewage treatment plants or holding tanks. Sewage discharge is prohibited with 12 nautical miles from land unless treated using an approved system. Discharge is allowed between 3 to 12 nautical miles from land or if the sewage has been properly comminuted, broken into smaller particles, and disinfected. In a special area like the Baltic Sea and Arctic, stricter regulation apply and most discharges are completely prohibited. First, heavy fines and penalties. Authorities in different countries impose substantial fines on ship caught violation sewage discharge rules. And port detention. A ship found non-compliance during inspection can be detained, causing costly delays and disruption to its schedule. Third, legal action from environmental agency. Organizations such as the International Maritime Organization or IMO and coastal state authorities actively monitoring pollution and can take legal action against violators. Lastly, reputation damage from shipping companies. A company violating environmental law can lose business, face public backlash, and suffer financial losses. Study. Cruise ships pollution fine. In 2019, a major cruise line was fined $20 million from dumping sewage and other waste into the ocean, violating MARPOL regulation. The company was already under provision from a previous pollution case, making the fine even harsher. This case showed that authorities are serious about enforcing Annex 4 and that even large companies are not immune to consequences. MARPOL Annex 4 plays a vital role in ensuring that our ocean remain clean, safe, and sustainable. It is not just about following rules, it's just about responsibility toward marine life, human health, and future generation. By properly treating and managing sewage, The shipping industry can help preventing pollution and protect marine ecosystems. A clean ocean starts with responsible actions. Compliance with MARPOL Annex 4 is not just a legal duty. It's a commitment to preserving the marine environment for the future. Oh,